Little but mighty!
What's up, Ketchup?
Hi, Pepper.
Have you listened to the new Holla Pen-yo album?
Yes, I just did. Chili is spicy, it sets you on fire. Drink lots of water before you perspire.
Come on, everybody. Let's list some chili, cayenne habanero, Tabasco, and cherry.
I love jalapeno.
Me too, Ketchup. I have a question, though. Holla Pen-yo uses 2 punctuation marks that I'm not familiar with. This one and this one.
Oh, that is a colon, and that one is a semicolon.
But how do I use it? I want to use cool punctuation marks in my songs too, just like Holla Pen-yo.
Well, teacher said.
A colon, Ketchup, is used for listing things. For example, there are 7 colors of the rainbow: red, yellow, orange, blue, green, indigo, and violet. Can you think of another example?
Oot. Come on, everybody. Let's list some chili, colon, cayenne, habanero, Tabasco, and cherry.
I see that someone has been listening to a bit of jalapeno. That is actually a very good example.
Teacher, can I use the semicolon the same way?
A semicolon has a different purpose. You can think of it as a replacement for a conjunction, like so and because. For example, it looks like it is about to rain, semicolon, I'll bring my umbrella.
Oh, the semicolon behaves like the conjunction so. I can come up with another example. Oot. Chili is spicy, semicolon, it sets you on fire.
Another jalapeno lyric! Wow, this rapper is a master in punctuation.
Yeah, teacher, he used a semicolon in place of the conjunction and. I know the difference between a colon and a semicolon now, teacher.
Tell me then.
Well, a colon is used to list things or even give more information about a topic. A semicolon is used to connect 2 independent clauses and can be used to replace a conjunction.
That's right! Good job, Ketchup! By the way, thank you for introducing me to the rapper Holla Pen-yo. He's so cool!
You mean he's chili?
Oh, I see. Thanks for explaining it to me, Ketchup. I appreciate you. I'm gonna write new songs now using the colon and the semicolon. It's so cool.
You mean it's so chilly?
You've told me this joke before, Ketchup. Anyway, everyone, like and subscribe.
Like to subscribe.
Okay.
Subscribe.